There once lived a king unlike any other. A ruler blessed with wisdom, power, and miracles beyond imagination.
He could even speak to animals. His name was Sulayman.
Allah gave Sulayman a kingdom.
Animals understood him, and even the jinn served under his command.
But Sulayman remained grateful and humble.
One day, Sulayman noticed something strange. A hoopoe bird was missing. And soon, that tiny bird would bring news from a distant kingdom.
Why do I not see the hoopoe bird returned with incredible news?
Far away, in the land of Sheba, there ruled a powerful queen. Her kingdom was rich and magnificent. But her people worshipped the sun instead of Allah.
I found a woman ruling over them, but her people worship the sun instead of Allah, and she has been given great wealth.
Sulayman sent the queen a letter, not a threat, but an invitation toward truth. In the name of Allah, the Most Merciful, do not act arrogantly toward me, but come in peace.
The Queen of Sheba was intelligent and respected.
She did not rush into war. Instead, she chose wisdom. Kings destroy cities when they invade. We must think carefully. The queen decided to send magnificent gifts to Sulayman.
Perhaps wealth could satisfy him.
But she did not yet understand. Sulayman was not seeking riches. He was calling toward Allah.
The treasures of Sheba arrived before Sulayman. But what would happen next?
Would change the kingdom forever.